In this video, we're going to show you how to set up xLights 2017 with a basic model for a pixel MegaTree. Just to recap some from our prior videos, we have 16 output controller, one-to-one relationship between the output and the individual universe. And let's go ahead and look in xLights. This is what our output configuration looks like. Now, what we're going to do is go ahead and go over to the Layout tab. And we're going to go over here to the Create a New Tree. Now, when you click that, you might expect something to happen, but what you actually do is you draw your tree in here. You can tweak it a little bit if you need to, or you can go over here and tweak it this way. Now, in this particular case, what we're going to do is say flat tree, and you'll see that it makes it not 360 degrees because it is flat. It's not circular. And in this particular case, it defaults to 16 strings of each 50 nodes, or pixels actually, per string. We also have the start address as 1. So that is how easy it is to set up the tree. Now let's go ahead and sequence that tree. So we click over here to the sequencer tab, and now what we're going to do is so we can see our tree in the preview. Now if you had additional elements like arches or outlines, those would also appear in here. Now our tree is actually up here. We just can't see it right now because it's black. But what we're going to do is go ahead and create a new sequence. It's going to ask a couple questions. We're going to say musical sequence, and we're going to pick some audio. We're just going to say, for simplicity here, 20 frames per second. We're just going to say all models, quick start, and it's going to go ahead and go lay down the audio. So here's the audio at the top, and now in this particular case, we are not recording audio from the computer, but we would normally have audio when we play. All we do is simply go up here and drag. I'm going to, with my left mouse button, drag down an effect, and then I'm going to drag it out so it occupies some time. And I'm going to drag another effect down right next to that one, drag that one out, and drag down another effect. This is pinwheel. And we'll say this one right here, butterfly. At the end of that one's a very nice one. Okay, now what I'm going to do is go up here, hit play. It's going to start from the beginning. Again, we're not including the audio here, but normally we would have audio, and it would of course be synchronized to the audio. Now you can see that the tree is in the background. In this particular butterfly display, you can see all the pixels. That's how easy it is to sequence a simple pixel MegaTree.